The world is watching. Missiles are flying. Hackers are breaching national defenses. Israel and Iran are locked in a war deeper than bombs. This is a multi-front battle of airstrikes, AI warfare, and cyber attacks. But the real question is, who's losing? And what does this mean for the rest of the world? In recent months, tensions between Israel and Iran reached a boiling point. It started with covert operations, targeting nuclear scientists and mysterious explosions in military settings. Now it's all out in the open. Israel launched airstrikes on Iranian targets in Syria and Lebanon. In response, Iran fired drones and ballistic missiles at Israeli cities and bases. Over 1,000 airstrikes have occurred in just 60 days. Many are guided by AI-based targeting systems. Both sides employ AI, not just for offense, but also for defense and misinformation. Despite Israel's superior air defense and global intelligence, the war drains both economies. Israel faces constant cyber attacks crippling infrastructure. Iran deals with collapsing internal systems and tightening foreign sanctions. Civilian casualties are mounting. Nobody is winning, everyone is bleeding. This is not just a fight for land. It's a battle over ideology, resources, and digital supremacy. Here's how it affects you. The Strait of Hormuz is now a war zone. It carries 30% of the world's oil. Oil prices have surged and shipping delays are increasing. Stock markets in Europe, Asia, and the US are jittery. The global supply chain faces more disruptions. AI data centers in Israel have gone offline due to missile strikes and cyber attacks. This slowdown impacts AI research and chip production across tech firms globally. This is the first major conflict where artificial intelligence and cyber warfare are frontline weapons. Israeli AI drones scan terrain in real time and select targets. Iran's cyber teams launch DDoS attacks on Israeli banks, airports, and hospitals. It's not merely bombs, it's bites. AI is no longer neutral. It's political, and now it's lethal. Arab nations face a geopolitical storm. The UAE, Saudi Arabia, and Bahrain try to balance diplomacy, bracing for cyber spillover and economic shocks. Their AI infrastructure and trade corridors are at significant risk. Lebanon and Syria are already caught in the crossfire. If this war doesn't end soon, we might see a regional digital blackout, inflation spikes, and a collapse of Gulf tech trade routes. The Israel-Iran war transcends missiles. It shapes the future of global conflict. From AI dominance to cyber control and oil trade chaos, we're entering a new warfare era. And the world? It's watching, bracing, and calculating. For more deep dives into AI warfare, global tech conflicts, and real-world analysis, subscribe to Quantum Mindset. Like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Where is this all heading? You decide.